What's up, everybody? Scott here. Got this FurDozer 3-in-1 pet hair remover tool to be able to get the hair out of my car as I take our one of our Weimaraners to the daycare every Wednesday. So here's the tool. Here's one side. Here's the other. I'm going to show you how this works in the car. As many of you know, like I said, we got two Weimaraners. And I got a lot of pet hair from taking her in the car. So as you can see, it working right there. Looks like it works pretty good. And we'll flip it over on the other side. So as you can see, it's collecting up the hair pretty decent. I would like to try one of the other tools too that they have, but just thought I would show you this real quick and show you how it works in the car. But that's pretty much it. Pretty easy to use. Looks like it's gonna get the hair up pretty decently, as I have fabric seats, as you can tell, in my car here, and some of the hairs stick into the fibers and the fabric, but looks like it's gonna do the job.